maybe the main reason why you are not yet successful is because there are things that you are still doing that are not helping you. Kahit pala nagtitake ka ng action, if you are not pointed towards the right direction, it will be for nothing. Here's the catch, guys. A lot of people are trying to know what they have to do. Right? Ano ba yung pwede kong gawin? What do I have to do? What can I do? What should I do? Right? And a lot of people are not taking massive action mainly because you don't know what to do. Hindi ka nakakagalaw kasi hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo. Here's the fun part. Who among you here are leaders or are entrepreneurs, leaders, taas na kamay, leaders, entrepreneurs, negosyante, na may nililid kang tao. So can you imagine, if you don't know what to do, paano pa yung tao mo? Tapos magagalit ka sa tao mo. You will be mad. Wala tayong benta. Ano sabihin yan sa'yo? Wala ka namang pinagawa sa akin eh. Boss, di ko naman alam gagawin ko. Ano ba gagawin ko? Magbenta ka. Turuan mo ako paano magbenta, boss. Recruit mo ako dito, di mo ako tuturuan magbenta. Does it happen in network marketing? Does it happen in sales? Does it happen in insurance? Does it happen in real estate? It happens everywhere. Yeah? Oo, okay lang kayo. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo. We're just starting. Okay? So, bottom line, a lot of people are focused on the doing part. Hear me out. Sino dito yung alam mo namang masipag ka? Yung totoo. Halata naman sa mga mukha nyo, no? Yung eye bag niya nandito na, no? Swerte yung mga singkit. Na ako bihira ako magka-eye bag eh. Bihirang-bihira eh, no? So, bottom line, who among you here are just doing, taking massive action towards several directions, no? Hataw tayo dito, try natin to, mag-trading tayo. O kaya mag-TikTok tayo, hindi po tumalab. O mag-e-commerce, gawin natin yung lahat. Tapos walang napuntahan. Yeah? You tried network marketing, you tried investing in Bitcoin, you've tried Zumba, whatever. Lahat na try mo. Pero since hindi mo alam yung direction mo, parang wala kang napupuntahan. It's the same as saying that you are in a treadmill, pawis na pagod ka na, and you are in the same place. Are you with me? So, ibig sabihin, kahit pala nagtitake ka ng action, if you are not pointed towards the right direction, it will be for nothing. Nga. A lot of us are focused on the doing part. How about, balik na rin natin yung Power Talks, kasi may Q&A naman mamaya eh, no? I'm gonna give you the chance to ask questions about your business, career, anything. Wag lang yung nonsense how to be you po, no? Wag naman ganon. But what if, ang topic natin tonight is we focus on what are the things we should avoid, right? It's because the thing is, you cannot do something because you don't have the space to do that something. Marami kang ginagawa, marami kang iniisip, maraming laman yung utak mo, hindi mo na ngayon alam yung gagawin mo. Are you with me? I'm gonna give you an example. Maestro, can you play some new music right here? Maganda music, right? I'm not giving up, no, not yet. Now imagine, it's a good music, sabayan natin ng isa pang music. So it's starting to become chaotic kahit gusto niyo yung kanta, right? Ngayon, two musics are playing, you'd like both of it. Imagine another music, pagsabay-sabay mo yan. What's happening right now? Right? What's happening? It's chaotic. Even if you like all those songs, pag pinagsabay-sabay mo yung kanta, magugustuhan hindi. Right? Even if you are with a lot of opportunities and gusto mong pagsabay-sabayin, walang magiging magandang resulta. So it's like, let's find out what we should eliminate. Ano yung pwede nating alisin para makapag-focus muna tayo sa isang bagay. Kasi baka, kaya ka hindi mayaman ngayon, maybe the main reason why you are not yet successful is because there are things that you are still doing that are not helping you. Number one, like eating shit. Eating garbage. Magtataka ka, Sir MJ, nanghihina ako. Ano bang kinakain mo? Sir, patatas. Anong patatas? Baka nasa plastic yung patatas mo. Hindi patatas yun. Processed patatas yun. Are you with me? Are you learning? Do you get my point? So, bottom line, what are the things that we should avoid doing? Are you with me? And that's the topic for tonight.